So recently I did hair transplantations at New Roots Hair Clinic. So girls who are tensed about their big hairline and hair fall problems and other issues on their hair, they should definitely come in this clinic because it's a very simple and safe procedure, and it took only 1 day and even less than 1 day, and it's a very safe and easy procedure. Though I was thinking that it's a very complicated procedure, but it's not like that. Even you will not feel anything when the surgery going on. So female or girls who's are really tensed about their hair headline or any kinds of hair issues, they should definitely come in this clinic because I felt like I also did my surgery in hair, and I don't think so. It's a very much complicated procedure and it's a painless surgery. So I think you all should come here. So don't worry, and I definitely recommend this New Roots Hair Clinic for their hair transplantation. So I'm very much hopeful about my result. I just finished my surgery yesterday. So I'm hoping that I will get a beautiful result and beautiful hair also. Thank you.